Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Okay, it's morning here. Okay, I want to first of all thank everybody for watching this video. Okay, three things we're going to do in this video. Number one, we're going to know if our operating system, to check if your operating system is a genuine operating system or a non-licensed operating system. And two, how to check if it's a genuine license or not genuine license operating system. So that is what we'll be looking at in this video today. Please don't fail to like this video, share it and subscribe. Put on the notification bell, most importantly for anytime we share our videos on Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, you'll be the first to get our video. It's important that we say thank you to our existing subscriber and also our incoming subscribers. Please don't fail to join this family as more educational videos will be dropping. It's very important that you have a licensed operating system, especially if you are using the internet, so that you don't give room for hackers to penetrate into your system and get into your personal files. So having an original licensed operating system is a key part to secure the operating system and avoid hackers from penetrating your system. So without further ado, let's dive into this lecture. Thank you. First of all, let's look at if you're using a Rectel license, you're good to go. Kudos to you. This particular license is original and it's very transferable. What I mean transferable simply means that when you're done with this particular system, you can transfer it. You're probably upgrading your system, upgrading your hardware, your hard drive. You can still transfer this license. It is very transferable when you are using a Rectel license. So the next one is what? OEM. Okay, OEM is also an original license too, but such kind of license is not transferable. Okay, you cannot transfer it to a different system. If the hard drive is bad, you've lost the license. The system is bad, you've lost the license. So that is okay, also good for an operating system too, but just that it's not transferable. So that is the difference. So kudos if you're using OEM license. So the next one we'll be looking at is Volume MK. If you're using the Volume MK operating system, you are using Otigba. Okay, sorry for Otigba simply means jungle, something that is not genuine. Okay, that's our terms as well for those who belong to that category. Okay, now I'm going to query my system to know what kind of license I'm using. I'm going to go to the search bar and bring out this run application. Okay, bring out the run application and I'll type in this code. I'll put in this code is XLMR. You can see this displayed on your screen. Okay, when I put in this code, I'm going to press enter. So let's see what kind of operating system I'm using. Well, I'm using an OEM operating system. Okay, the next one is we're going to try using, want to know if our operating system will soon expire or how many days left or how many months. Okay, so we're trying this next code. Okay, so we'll go to the search bar and also bring in the run application and bring in the run application. Then we'll put up this next code. Okay, put out this next code SL days. Okay, you can see it now. Probably going to display on your screen. So we put up this next code and to tell us how many days our operating system is left. Okay, so we'll put the code and we'll press enter. So wow, this operating system is permanently activated. So this is what we are using. Please don't fail to tell us what kind of operating system you are using in the comment section. We'll be there to assist you. If you also want to watch our other video on how to recover your Windows license, you can see it right away on your screen. Okay, you can see it right away on your screen. Thank you. Please don't fail to like this video. Don't fail to share it so that others can learn from it.